I have never been asked more often to help people build a tech stack than I have in the last 2 years. In the last 2 years, it went from a couple nerds understanding what a tech stack is for a contractor, right? To them wanting everyone in their business to understand what their technology workforce is going to be. What are going to be the digital tools that this company is going to use um, to leverage all of the data that's now available. And it was, what would we say? We used to ask to the Nika crowd, we're like, how many of you understand your tech stack? We get 3 hands. You know, we just talked to them recently and like half the room understood not only the technology that their organization was using, but how it was being used. And not in some nerd level way. They know this technology is used to deliver my drawings to the work site or to deliver my models to the people working on my job. And they're starting to really understand the value of that digital tool as we deal with what Josh talked about, which is a workforce that is slowly diminishing. And you know, they're maxed out in the amount of things that they can do. They need these better technical tools in order to make the most of the hours that they have on these jobs. But certainly in the value chain, we've started to see, and we're working on this now, actually at the Nika event coming up, we're gonna have a market map that walks through entire project lifecycle and takes the products that are available in the market and says, this is where it belongs in your lifecycle. It's in project acquisition, here's the software available, here's the data you can get out of it. This is the job that that technology is gonna do for you. If it's in the construction side, if it's in the closeout side, they're starting to really have an understanding of that. But one of the things I would say directly to this question is, there is still a vast majority of contractors who are putting their thumb in the air when it comes to selecting their technology, all right? So we need, as an industry, to really help raise everybody's maturity digitally to the point where they're making good decisions. Josh is a big part of that. Nika's a big part of that. A lot of you who advocate for digital solutions are a huge part of that.